जैसा अन्ना जी ने कहा, इस कुर्सी के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ समस्या है। जो इस कुर्सी के ऊपर बैठता है वही गड़बड़ हो जाता है। तो कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि इस आंदोलन से जब विकल्प निकलेगा और वो लोग जब कुर्सी पे जाके बैठेंगे, कहीं वो ना भ्रष्ट हो जाएं, कहीं वो ना गड़बड़ करने लगे। बीजेपी वालों ने केस कर दिए मेरे ऊपर। मैंने सबसे बड़ा वकील करा राम जेठमलानी। तो ये कहते हैं राम जेठमलानी की फीस सरकार क्यों देगी? सरकार नहीं देगी तो मैं दूंगा क्या? मैं अपनी जेब से दूंगा।
Okay, 5 seconds silence first. Yeah, coming back. So this is how Karma trolled Delhiites, and now coming to the second part, how Karma trolled Aam Aadmi Party. You got to watch this video. This is the spokesperson from Aam Aadmi Party, Ashish Khaitan, and you got to watch his tone, guys. Just let's watch this video first.
आम आदमी पार्टी has no answer.
सेठ की नौकरी करना छोड़ दो। सेठ की नौकरी करना छोड़ दो। जब तक 5 करोड़ रुपए की सैलरी साल में लोगे तब तक फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर के खिलाफ डिबेट नहीं कर पाओगे। Now let me respond. Stop screaming and let me respond.
Why did you have?
Guys, this was back in December 2015. That was before Jetmalani happened to Aam Aadmi Party. Kejriwal accused Arun Jaitley for all the wrongdoings in DDCA. During the Times Now debate, Ashish Khaitan calls Arnab Goswami a slave of the government as he draws a 5 crore salary. Now this is below the belt. But what is really ridiculous is the way Ashish Khaitan tries to make Arnab's salary, which he is entitled to, a thing of abuse. But then Karma had different plans. 2 years later, that is post Jetmalani, now look at Ashish Khaitan's tone. Just watch ahead, guys.
Ashish Khaitan of the Aam Aadmi Party. Who should be paying for the legal bills of the Delhi government and Arvind Kejriwal? Ashish Khaitan. Why should the taxpayer pay for Kejriwal, the defamation case against Arvind Kejriwal? At the end of the day, the case has to be fought surely in his personal capacity.
What is the origin of this dispute? Which fight Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party government was fighting, because of which there are so many cases that have been foisted against Arvind Kejriwal? It was all about the corruption matter. DDCA was steeped in corruption, and it has come out in the report of the High Court and Justice Mudgal in every aspect of DDCA, Delhi District Cricket Association, in selection of players, in building of the stadium, in giving out contracts. The poor man, the poor cricketers, the common spectators, everybody was being cheated for 12 years. And who was at the helm of affairs?
No, Mr.
Arun
Khaitan,
Jaitley.
what
This is
about the legal
entirely
bill?
This is exactly what the Supreme Court is saying.
I asked
Let
you
me,
a
sir, complete.
question. Is
Let me complete.
the
Rajdeep, see, you have
defamation
this whole
case
show against us.
Arvind Kejriwal the individual or the Delhi Chief Minister?
He has no answer.
Now 1 minute, let him answer, ma'am.
You have asked me the question, should I answer?
Yes,
Should I
please,
answer?
I'm
No, but he's not
allowing you to
answering. He's
answer.
evading a
Rajdeep?
question.
Look at how times and tones change, guys. Rajdeep has put across the same question thrice, but Ashish Khaitan is either deflecting it or keeping silent for the slightest of interruption, which is quite uncharacteristic of an Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. Let's watch ahead.
Taken that you send this report to the audit department, please pay Ram Jetmalani's fees that work to crores and more. There will be those who will say this is an utter waste of taxpayers' money. That if you filed if you have a defamation case against you in your personal capacity, then you must pay for it.
Okay.
Or get Mr. Jetmalani to waive his fees.
Aam Aadmi, because this is the only government in the country. Because this is the only government in the country which is working for the common man. We have taken on the Bijli Mafia, the electricity mafia. Today, 400 units of electricity in Delhi, they cost 1300 rupees. They cost 2700 rupees in Maharashtra, They cost
Have
3. Can I
become-
respond?
Do you believe Ashish
respond,
Khaitan that
Rajdeep?
this money could
Can
have
I
been better
respond?
spent
I heard you.
elsewhere?
Can I respond?
Do you believe this money could have been better spent elsewhere, that you didn't need to hire one of India's top
Let me
lawyers
respond.
and then pay him a fee through the Delhi government, send it to the audit department trying to bypass the LG's office? Do you think this is the right step? In perceptual terms, do you concede you made a mistake, yes or no?
Now, do me the courtesy of just giving me 30 seconds so I can make my point.
Yes.
This is not the first time that expensive lawyers, top lawyers have been hired by any government. If you remember, and just
Ready to work for free rather than someone who was going to charge and then bypass systems to get the money paid, yes or no?
Absolutely. It is
he's
extremely
not answering,
unfortunate
Rajdeep.
that it has come down to this, where a sitting chief minister has been dragged to court by the finance minister. Yes, this money could have been spent somewhere else, but not a single penny has been paid to Ram Jethmalani till date. And Ram
Finally, it took 5 attempts from Rajdeep Sardesai to get those words out of Ashish Khaitan that yes, these 4 crores could have been used elsewhere. Just contrast this with the tone he had couple of years ago,
नहीं
guys.
करना छोड़ दो। जब तक 5 करोड़ रुपए की सैलरी साल में लोगे तब तक फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर के खिलाफ डिबेट नहीं कर पाओगे।
और जब तक 1 करोड़ की समोसा खाओगे तब तक केजरीवाल के गाना गाओगे. So hope you enjoyed watching this video, my friends. Do subscribe to us in YouTube and do hit the bell icon besides the subscription button so that you get a notification every time we upload a video. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and we have recently started our Instagram also.